Hello, in this HTML crash course video, we are going to cover the audio element. Very simple stuff. It allows you to play an audio file, whether that's a local audio file, aka on your server, or whether that's a audio file on a different server and you have the URL, for example, if it's on a content delivery network. So to play an audio file, you simply put an audio tag. Got to spell audio correctly. Just close it off. Inside here, we're just going to put a warning in case the audio file can't be played, or more specifically, if your browser for some reason doesn't support audio files, or this particular audio file I should say. So put whatever you want and put your browser does not support the code element, audio element, and now put a source, which I have a source for it here, which is from the Firefox website. If I just paste that in, Mozilla technically, save that, go back to my website, refresh. Might be thinking that it hasn't played or you can't hear anything, and the reason is it doesn't play by default. You have to add the autoplay attribute, which is done like so. Autoplay doesn't take any parameters, you just do it like so, save that, refresh.
This is audio in Firefox 3.1.
There you go, audio has played. Well, it wasn't in Firefox, it was in Chrome, but that's what the guy said. So that's it for the audio tag. There are other attributes that you can mess around with, and I recommend Googling that, checking it out, going on to the W3 School website. Fantastic website. It'll have a bunch of documentation reference for HTML in general and for this element, so check that out. Also, another good link is, well, the Mozilla Developer Network. If you type into Google MDN or Mozilla Developer Network, a whole heap of great resources on there. And if you have any questions, feel free to post it on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. There will be a link in the description to the source code and the source code from every other video in this series. If you like the video, please let us know, because we always like hearing from you. If you didn't, please let us know as well, so I can improve it for the next video. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.